Ever wonder what happens when your neighbor's Wi-Fi network is wide open and named guest password? Don't worry, we're not encouraging any digital trespassing. Today, we'll be installing Kalilinux in a safe and secure virtual machine on your Windows 10 PC. Think of it as a controlled experiment where you can learn how hackers operate and how to protect yourself from them. Besides, who knows, maybe you'll discover a hidden talent for ethical hacking and become the neighborhood cybersecurity champion without actually needing to break any laws.
So without wasting any further time, let's move to the screen right away.
First things first, we gotta scout out our prey. Grab your trusty smartphone or any other internet wrangling device and head on over to the official Kali website.
Don't get lost in the maze of hacker lingo.
Just look for the big, friendly download button. It probably won't say,
Click here to become a digital outlaw.
Kalilinux needs a place to live, so next up is VirtualBox. Think of it as a secure virtual corral where we can let this wild operating system run free. Head over to the VirtualBox website and download it for free.
Avoid any shady software promising boot up boosters with flashing lights. Trust me, that path leads to trouble faster than you can say cybersecurity nightmare.
Congratulations, partners! You've successfully downloaded Kalilinux and VirtualBox. Now you need to go to the download folder location and extract the Kalilinux file. Now, let's fire up VirtualBox. It might look a bit complex, but don't worry. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure for tech wranglers. Click the New button, because we're building something brand new here. Now locate and select the Kalilinux file you extracted before. So the VirtualBox automatically set up the Kalilinux with its default setting for you. Now go to its setting and give your virtual machine a rootin' name, something that screams ethical hacker on patrol. Avoid totally not a hacking machine. Though, gotta maintain some mystery, right? Time to allocate some memory. Think of RAM as your virtual machine's brain power. Give it at least 2 gigabytes, but the more, the merrier. You wouldn't try to lasso a digital virus with a piece of dental floss, would you? Now, for the virtual hard disk, that's your storage space. Give it some room to roam, like 20 gigabytes or more. We can skip all this technical mumbo-jumbo in the settings for now, unless you're fluent in virtual machine network adapter configurations, which, let's be honest, is about as exciting as watching paint dry on a cactus. Time to unleash the Kali beast. Click the Start button on your virtual machine and saddle up to that downloaded ISO file. It's like inserting the key to your own digital frontier. Now, the installation might take a while, so grab a cup of joe, dust off that old hacking movie you love, even if the special effects are stuck in the 90s, or maybe try to identify the security vulnerabilities in your sock drawer organization system. Priorities, folks. The both default username and password for the Kalilinux are Kali. You can late change it in the settings. There you have it, partners. You've successfully wrangled Kalilinux onto your Windows 10 machine. Now you can explore the world of cybersecurity, learn how to identify and fix security holes, and maybe even impress your friends with your newfound hacking skills. Remember, ethically. Just don't go all rogue and try to take over the internet. We wouldn't want that, would we? Unless, of course, your neighbor's Wi-Fi password is literally written on a sign outside their house. But that's a story for another adventure, and maybe a different outfit. And if you got any error, or have any other query, just ask it in the comments so I will get back to you. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials, partners, and remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and a pretty sweet Kalilinux setup. Until next time, keep it ethical and ride safe on the digital frontier.